Hi, people. Monday, September the 30th. Oh, damn. Tomorrow's October already. Jeez, this year's gone real fast. Back in my bathroom again. Let's see. We got 19 seconds. Let's see how long it takes me to get through flossing, picking, and brushing. Let's just see. We're gonna start here. I think I'm finally making progress. Up on the inside, on the roof of my mouth, I can feel a slight little gap. Let's try the top first. I'm trying these guys here just to see if I can push anything through. I get that lip fart going on. But it does push through nice and easy though. Now let's get some floss. Boy, do I feel like a spaz, huh? Alright, there you go. Alright. Making progress here tonight. Let's see what we can get. Wow, created a big gap in that one. Alright, let's see. Ow, ow, ow. Oh, hit a stitch. There we go. All right. Making progress now. Oh, wrong way. Wow. I hit a stitch going in the first time. Let's see. 1, 2. All right. Let's try this. Right in. Ah, quit playing with it, Rick. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Ooh, ooh. That's sore. Yeah, I got it all tangled up now. There you go. All right. Let's see. See what we can do on the bottom now. Uh-huh. All right, now we'll try this. There we go. All right. All right. All right. Not too bad so far. Ah. Whew. It's not too bad. Not too bad. At least we're getting through it now, right? Come on. Ha 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 ha. Oh. Alright. Not too bad. Not too bad. Under 10 minutes. Under 10. We're making progress here. Now let me just, because what I do is I will run the floss and then blow the pick through it again. Yummy. All right. See? La la la. All right. Making progress. Making real progress here tonight. I'm feeling better about this. In no time, We're gonna be experts. No time. And you know how that sounds, right? No time are we gonna be experts? Yeah, that's right. So basically what I do is I go around my teeth, then I'll go up and I'll just brush the top of my gum, and then on the bottom, right around the bottom. Then what I'll do is I'll go up on the inside too. You'd think with the way I brush my gums as well, my stitches would be falling out. They're not. I think I've only pulled one other this week or last week. We are at 27 days, by the way. They probably use shoelaces to tie me together. I mean, come on. A month already? And I still got stitches that haven't pulled out yet? There we are, 12 minutes. I got a brush. I picked twice. Flossed everybody. I can do this. It's not 20 minutes. It's not 20 minutes. Practice makes perfect too. Wait until I get a nice gap up in there where I can just wham bam, thank you ma'am, have a nice day, make it all happen. Who remembers that commercial? It's not nice to fool Mother Nature. Oh, that creep. She threw trees through my roof. Big oak branches. I don't know where they came from. I have no trees over the garage where they came through. But I guess I'll figure out what the damage is when I get home on Friday. Show everybody my new smile. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Anyways, stay safe, people.